What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on XRP and cryptocurrency with Ichimoku technical analysis. And today we are looking at the XRP chart. But before I get into that, this, guys, this is a God-fearing channel, so I have to put God out there first. A lot of you guys have been asking, where have I been? Why haven't I been putting out videos? Simply because I've been in the prayer calls. I've been focusing more on my relationship with God, and I've been focusing more on how to be better in my Christian walk, in my faith. I don't want to just have the label as Christian. I want to be a actual believer, somebody that is not just a talker, but practices what they preach. So I have been off social media for a while. Actually, I have been on social media, but I haven't been on social media as strong as I have been in the past. So you guys, I am definitely going to start putting out content for you guys again. I'm going to change up how I do videos on here just to make things fresh and new for you guys. But I do want to say this: I encourage you guys to really be in prayer, really be in fasting in this time, in this season. Make it personal with God. Don't just do it just because you feel like it, but make it personal with God, because there are some things that are going on that are very deceptive in this season. And if you do not have the Spirit of God with you, or walking in the Spirit of God, you will be played and you will be tricked by the enemy. A lot of things are going on right now that is happening. But I hope you guys enjoy the content today that I'm about to put out. So be blessed and be encouraged in Jesus' name. All right, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start this technical analysis. It is straight to the point. I see something here on the chart that is very intriguing to me. XRP may have its move very soon. According to the weekly time frame, we have a potential reversal, and I'm going to explain why we have a potential reversal in this area. You guys that don't understand, reading candlesticks is the foundation of trading. So I'm going to explain why this one candle right here is very important to what's currently going on. This candle is a long-legged doji, which means it's a reversal. So this is at a support area that you see down in here. So you see price has fell from literally 80 cents plus all the way down here to our now level, which we're currently sitting at 27 cents 410. So we are seeing price hold and stabilize at these low price levels down in here. So we have a reversal signal finally that's saying that price may want to reverse at this area. So once we get that, this weekly candle closes in the next 5 hours. So we should see probably next week some probably possible momentum to the upside. Not saying that it's going to happen, but it's possible. Price is far from the key June, which is not a good sign, which is saying that price may want to pull back up, which will take us to 47 cents. But that's still not enough to go off of. We have to make sure that this is going to be a move to the upside. And that's why you have to use multiple time frames to decode what the market is saying. So we're going to go ahead and move to the daily time frame and see what's going on here. So those that study Ichimoku and know what Ichimoku is about, we had a bullish TK cross. Market was very out of equilibrium. When these two lines are separated, that means market's out of equilibrium. So now the market is back into equilibrium right here. So we are seeing price starting to consolidate. We do have a buy signal hammer candlestick right here saying that price may want to move up to the upside, but we are still very bearish here on the long-term time frame. On the daily time frame, we have this gigantic cloud that's still very bearish. Chiku span is above price, so that's a good sign. Also, we're rejecting down here at these low levels, so that's also a good sign as well. So right now, my analysis, my bias for the market, we're just gonna range possibly for a while. We'll probably move sideways for maybe a couple of weeks, maybe the rest of this week. Next week we'll see it. So I'll give it 2 weeks tops to see what's really gonna happen. I give it until probably the 1st of February, maybe the 4th of February to see things start moving. We want to see this cloud start to weaken. So far, there's no weakness in this cloud. So I don't see price wanting to go higher right now, just off the daily chart. So we may continue to see some downward action. We may. So what I do want to see is how price looks on that 4-hour time frame. And this is what I'm looking at here. I have put this out on my Discord for my students. I said to be paying attention very carefully to this area. I also put this on Twitter. Something that caught my attention was we came back to this fractal level, but we rejected again. The cloud is still bearish here. Price, Chico spread underneath price here on the 4-hour time frame. So this is saying that we're still in a bearish market. Market is in a TK zone, which is a Kijisen crossover zone with our blue and red line. So we don't have any bullish indication. And if we do, it's going to be a weak signal here with still weakness in this market. So I do see prices dipping down again. Where do I see prices dipping down again potentially? Let me go ahead and give you guys my bias. Let's see, coming from this point all the way down to this point. So here. So this is where potentially price could definitely drop down to. We could see price dip down to the 17-cent level, 19-cent level, 21-cent level, and possibly the 22-cent level. But I would aim for that 21-cent level just because that's a 1-to-1 ratio. That's what I see more likely to be the case. But we will see. For price to even have a chance to go higher, it needs to break above this red zone, but we don't have any indications of that yet. So I do want to see how price is going to fare here. That's why I said I think price is going to just range for a couple more days or another week or so. And then probably by the beginning of February, we'll get a better indication on where the market's trying to go. So that's my analysis for this market. I hope you guys enjoyed this technical analysis. Hope you guys are still holding. Don't sell anything right now. They are in the shakeout phase of the market. I do think the crypto market's going to take another hit, but that's just my bias and my opinion. But we will see how things play out. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this technical analysis. God bless and stay tuned for the next. Peace.